guys, and welcome to my channel, Sweet Pink Home. I'm Elizabeth, and thanks so much for joining me. This is my lovely daughter, Jacinda, and her lovely little dog, Mia, who just had a birthday last Friday. Happy birthday, Mia. Anyway, guys, we're going to do May's Boxycharm. I can't even believe it's already May, but whoa, yeah. Let's do this. So, the theme this month is Make Waves. Make waves! And obviously it's because summer's coming. I can't believe it. It's right around the corner and school's ending.
My sister's graduating.
Yeah.
And also the box this month looks kind of different because it's usually more square and it's like longer this time. I mean, it's a little damaged.
That makes me curious.
So like, maybe things are longer.
Ooh. I want to do this one.
This one?
We'll do a pink one because my channel's Sweet Pink Home. Yeah, pink, pink, pink.
Oh, come on.
It's Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow.
Cream eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Oh, from Ciate London.
Who is it?
Ciate London.
Ciate London.
And it's $22.
This is really pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness.
It's shimmering eyeshadow looks.
Shimmer, 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 and shine.
Can be swiped on for full coverage or blended out for sheer sparkles or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. And it looks really like pink.
Really pink.
Super pretty though.
Really, like look how pink that is. That's pink. I want to put it on my lips, but I know it's not for my lips. It's for my eyes. I did that once. I did an eyeshadow on my lips. Oh, it wasn't good.
In the shade Cupid, I think.
Let's see.
It's $22.
$22.
Alright,
Alright, you gonna put it on your eyes?
on my eyes? Sure.
Or are you doing it some more? Blending it out. She's blending it out, folks. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Ooh la la.
Alright.
Don't poke your eye out,
Let me blend
kid.
it out. Okay, so it says you can put it on like that and just like swipe it on. Or you can like blend it out for just like a little bit of glitter. It's super like
It's a big box, you guys.
slimy-ish. See, it's getting a lot on
We're
my
gonna save
finger.
the big box for last.
There's a box.
Well, this.
Oh yeah, the pretty box.
What is this? The mystery shimmery shiny.
No, it's fine.
Uh-oh, I just dropped the thing. The next thing that we're going to do while she's applying that
I probably wouldn't use this on my like lid.
is,
I would use it as highlighter in the inner corner. But like it's still pretty.
or if she's like her mother, on her lips on accident.
You can probably use it on your lips. I don't know if you're supposed to, but
Bodyography.
bodyography.
I can't say things today. I don't know why.
Oh, also it's very like stays on pretty well. Like,
And this is in the shade of Emerald.
is that the name of the shade?
Whoop, whoop. Here, try it.
Let me try it. Mom, you dropped the thing.
I'm going to get it. I'm going to get the thing that I dropped on.
Okay, let me try it on my hand.
The Emerald Ocean color. Making waves with the
It's shiny.
color. Anyway,
And
the eye pencil.
This swatch is from later. It's from earlier.
The eye pencil retails at $14. $14? Yeah, $14.
Wow. It'd be cute, like a little like.
Different shades.
No, I'm not gonna do that right here because then I won't be able to see what I'm doing. But it'd be like a cute little under eye color if you wanted some color, like teal.
All these ocean colors are pretty cool. The next one is
Oh, From our cosmetics.
Why are we
I think we
popping?
got some brushes from them. Oh, it's a blush trio.
Ooh. Retails for $22.
It has a little Castaway. You can't see it. Whatever that one is. And Scorcher.
No, they're really light.
You can't see it very well. They're blushes,
Yeah,
so
really
they're not
light.
very, very pigmented.
Yeah, that's true.
Let me try to build it up.
And the next one, yeah, try to rub it in a little darker.
You see it a little more now?
Yeah, it's still pretty light.
Maybe if I like... But you can kind of see Scorcher, whatever that one is. No. Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher. Ooh, my mom's on to the next one.
I'm cheating. I couldn't help it. This is Dose of Colors. Rosebud. Rosebud, guys, check it out. So pretty.
Liquid matte lip for $18. Did you say how much the palette cost?
The palette, yeah, it was
$22.
$22. We've seen its color 1,000 times. Come on, Boxy, give us a new color.
No, we usually get like red or brown.
Yeah, put that on.
On me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, I got this lovely lip stain yesterday.
Hold on, let me. Oh yeah, from our Ipsy.
From our Itsy box.
And here's the color. This right here.
Oh, I guess it is more pink. It looks brown on the thing, though.
Whoa.
Anyway, this Dose of Color is retails at $18, and I hope that's a good
super
one.
light.
Oh yeah, it's like hardly there. It's good for people that don't like a lot of color. Sometimes like I do.
But it's kind of purplish.
Let's
I don't
see
think
your
it's really
lips,
my
girl.
color.
Show me. Show me your lips. I don't think she's a fan of it, but I am. I like it. Are you a fan of it, Jacinda?
It's not my favorite. Like, I would wear it. My lips are kind of washed out now.
Yeah, but she needs like, she needs some bright, she's a bright colored type color.
Kind of
person.
pink, purplish.
So we saved the biggest box for last by Glam,
Glam
Glow.
Glam.
and it is Daily Conditioning Cleanser.
And it's super pretty packaging. It's the first thing that caught my eye. Whoa, wait. Okay, I didn't realize this, but it's like rose gold, kind of pinkish. And it's got like a gold shift to it.
Gentle Cleansing Cleanser. So we just clean our face with it, I guess.
Is it here?
What's it smell like? What's it retail at? Is it for your face?
Mm-hmm. $28. Glam Glow is expensive.
I'm gonna have to go wash my hands now, but it smells good. How much?
$28.
No, we'll have to try it tonight when we're washing our face. What do you think, Sunday?
Maybe, as long as it doesn't hurt me.
I'm kind of disappointed. I thought it was something like funner. Not that cleansing is not fun, but you know
It's
what I mean.
not. I mean, I guess maybe it can be with the Gentle Bubble Cleanser.
I'm gonna show you my favorite.
Hold on, I don't know the ingredients. Where are the ingredients?
There's no ingredients on here.
It's got fruit extract.
Certainly doesn't smell like it. No, not very smelly. Not very fruity.
So it has citric acid in it, so I can't use it.
Ooh. Okay, we're highly allergic to citric acid, and I just like wash my hands with it. Lovely. Thanks, Boxy. Maybe I should read the ingredients next time. Anyway, guys, this box was pretty cool. Pretty,
but not useful.
Pretty. Never read a book by its color.
Book by its cover.
Yeah, cover. You know.
Never judge a book by its cover.
Anyway, what's your favorite?
My favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Even though I don't love the color of it, I think of this one or this.
Really? These two?
The lipstick.
The winner! Mine is actually this, because Anyway, guys, my favorite is this, and hers is these. I kind of like this, though, too.
The lip?
I agree. Yeah. You on
Thursday!
So, yeah, have a great week. It's only Tuesday, so... We'll see you later. And by the way, shout out to my Instagram if you want to check out my Instagram. It's Elizabeth SWEETPINKHOME. I do a lot of when I upload my video, I put it on there on Instagram, and just things that I find important in my life. Because I try not to overload my Instagram, if you know what I mean. So anyway, guys, be blessed and have a wonderful week. Bye.